real life overgrownness. Yes, yes, and yes. Look at that. So, besides those weeds, there are plants up in there. But we're going to be working on this corner section over here. Trying to get it together because this is where the other banana plant is going to go. As a matter of fact, this was my very first area that I grew in the garden. This section right here. I don't want to go over here. So y'all, I just started a new channel. So I'm going to put the link at the top of this video. Make sure you guys go and check it out. It's all about the other things that I like to do in life, such as shopping, thrifting, vlogging, and just being me. So make sure you guys go and check it out. Hit that like button, subscribe, and share me with your family and your friends. So that's it for the weed eating section. It's died on us. So I have this section right here and half of that section. So tomorrow, I will do the same thing over here. So now, oh, let me show y'all. Bees, that's a wasp. So I wanted to show you guys. Okay. I'm gonna take you off of here and show y'all what I have. A lemon cucumber. My first one of the season. Y'all, look at that bed of garlic right there. That's garlic. Pitiful. All right, so we are going to take this out of here because it rained so hard today. And that was just sitting in that water. All right. All right, so what we're going to do now is plant our moringa and our mullein seeds in the garden. Shout out to Sifting Some Soil and More for the moringa and the mullein seeds. So let's get this planted. Now, what section do I want to plant this in? I know the moringa needs its own bed. So we're going to start these over here in a little container for now. And I just got a bunch of bok choy that's growing over here. Okay, y'all, so we have our containers right here. They have been soaking in some good rainwater, so the soil is nice and moist. As you guys can see, we're gonna take some more of this peat moss and mix this up because that soil was really, had a lot of sticks in there, and I need my seeds to germinate. See what I'm saying? Look how big that is. All right, so the first one I'm gonna do is the moringa. And I have, oh, I think you're supposed to soak the moringa. Yeah, it says soak seeds for 24 hours before planting. So I have some rainwater right here, and I'm gonna take 3 seeds and put in there. So we're gonna go to the mullein. I've never grown mullein before. Ooh, these tiny. Ooh, them is tiny. You can't even see that. I don't even know how to. We're gonna tap that down and hope that grow. The soil is nice and wet, so that is the mullein. And I'm going to plant some more beefsteak tomatoes because I want some tomatoes this year. So let me grab those. So this is our beefsteak tomatoes, and I'm planting a couple. I planted about 6 or 7 of them in here because I want tomatoes this year. I want to make some spaghetti sauce. All right, so that is the beefsteak tomatoes. We're gonna sprinkle the rest of this peat moss on here for good measure. Happy growing. All right, there we go. So we're gonna let these mullein seed, what's the name of this? Moringa seeds germinate. This is my soursop seeds that I have right there.